Tiexiangsi Temple locates in the new technology zone outside of the center of Chengdu city in China. It comprises a very old temple, restoration of the old canal, the cleaning up of the water, and the creation of a new park. It also entails a large retail and mixed-use development with a lot of public facilities. The juror liked the project because it seems to be a very good example of how to create very popular public realm and also conservation of historic building. We think that it is a good exemplar that could be replicated in other parts of China, especially when they are developing new towns or new suburban area of existing cities.